Okay, let's do the last push to the peak, and if you look back, you'll see Rainbow Mountain and the valleys behind it. If you look forward, you'll see what I'm facing from a higher altitude. We should be around about 5,000 meters altitude from sea level. That's around about 10,000 feet. So I'm going to take my time and breathe hard.
Porque había como 4 gente, es que voy a aprovechar acá.
Muy bien, amigos de
Oye,
Colombia.
ese sombrerito he visto en otra cabeza.
Sexy cholitos.
Ese sombrerito he visto en otra
Foto, los que quieren fotos cerca de la montaña.
Hey Edgar!
Pueden descender, por favor.
Edgar! I'm going to hit you up for some oxygen at the top.
Oh, good. You're my friends.
Yeah, I'm Sexy Chorito.
Okay?
La posición.
sexy cholitos. My friend, come out here. Yeah.
Não é um fixo de cabeça na casa nem hamster.
Good job. Good job, my friend. This is my point. I'm there a lot of right?
It was really nice seeing him.
Good job, amigos.
It was okay.
Good job.
I'll just be a moment, I'll go to the top just to make sure I've been
After,
there.
my friends, after this is my point. In there, a lot of people. In here, just you, my friends. Okay?
Okay.
This is my point for the takeovers. Okay, let me help you, my friends. Let me.
We want to make one that we can roll up. Oh yeah, you got Aikitos? Cheers, mate. I'm Leo. Will.
Well done. I was just looking for you to take your photo.
Sleepy doggy. You're watching in 360.
What I always do is like every country visits.
Careful of yourself.
Okay, now look.
Oh.
Stand up, stand up. Do you want a video?
Yeah.
Wow. A lot of people, right? In here?
Yeah,
No people,
just that.
no people, no people, no people.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's gonna be our follow-up photo.
Video? Video? Other questions. Do you like dance? Do you like dance?
Yeah, let's do
Maybe.
it.
Okay, you can do it. Okay, now.
There you go.
I took
This is
down
the
my
example. Okay.
Okay.
backpack because not much people here.
Yeah, of course, this is my point, my friend. Acá, amigos de Colombia.
Oh man.
Okay. This is the example, my friend. Stand up in here, saying, stand up. Okay, this is the example. Together. This is the example, okay? First you can move your hand, you can say hello. Then the video like this. And when I go back, first I will stop in here. Woohoo! And you dance. Woohoo!
Oh, just stand
Yeah,
here.
dance. And after the dance, this is my signal. Show me the rainbow mountain. Like this. You? No, you don't opposite. Because the camera like this. Yeah, like this. You too? Point at someone, okay?
Yeah.
I try.
Show me. This is my signal. Hello. This is my signal down. And show me. Okay? Always wait me the signal.
Okay, wait for the
Yeah.
signal.
Stand on the line. Very good. 1, 2,
Candice.
3. Hello. Wait.
Oh,
Ah.
what is that?
Sorry. Again. Okay, again.
What is this for?
You save this for
Hello?
Hello, this is Dan.
Oh, okay,
just
forgot.
stay here.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, amigos. Muy bien, congratulations. We did it. 1, 2.